Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix the TikTok profile picture not changing problem. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and when you try to change your profile picture on TikTok and facing the issue that profile pic not change, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the very first method is you have to click it again. Maybe there is bug on your app. So guys, simply you have to change it again. And guys, after this, you need to make sure that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to go back. And guys, now you need to open your settings here. Click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And now you have to go back. And guys, after this you need to click on general and now you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back and guys, now you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And guys, after this, simply you have to open your app store here, and after searching it here, you need to search TikTok. So guys, now you have to open your TikTok app and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, you have to go back and now you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general and click on iPhone storage. And after this, you need to find here TikTok. So after finding it, you need to upload your app, and after doing upload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after doing all these settings, you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. If still not fix your problem, then you need to open your TikTok app again. Click on your main profile icon, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy. And after this, you need to scroll it below, and from here you have to click on report a problem. And after this, you need to wait for some seconds, click on account and profile. And guys, after this, here you can see the option of editing profile. Click on it. And now you will see here the option of changing profile photo or video. You have to click on this and you need to click on no and click on need more help. And guys, after this, here you need to write your problem and appeal to TikTok support team. They have review your problem and they will fix to your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.